Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect Authorize.net to your Wix website. Adding a secure payment gateway helps us accept credit card payments safely. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to wix.com. After you reach the main page, log into your account. Once logged in, let's go to your settings. You can find settings in the lower left part of your page. Click on it. Now that we are in settings, choose Accept Payments. Here, we can select the payment method we want to use. Since we are using Authorize.net, select Authorize.net. Please note, Authorize.net is available for premium users. If you are not a premium user, you may not see this option. Once you are a premium user, you can select Authorize.net and connect it by clicking Connect. After connecting, activate it. Once activated, Authorize.net will be available on your Wix site. Now, customers can make secure payments directly on your website. It is easy and simple to connect.